Good morning, everyone. It's me. Hello from my LA apartment. Wait, I'm gonna do it again. Good morning. It's 11 o'clock, but I was awake at 4 a.m. because my boyfriend and I are in long distance because I'm out here for school. Meet Ella. She's my little baby. She's my 6-month baby. She's so sweet when she's hungry. I'm watching some YouTube videos. I am home alone right now. My roommates are in the Bay Area. Roommates slash cousins. I live with my cousins. I'm gonna make some tea. I have 2 classes today. This mug, I got it from my best friend. He went to Barcelona last year, early year before COVID hit. Using my Keurig. So a little trick if you don't have like a hot kettle, my cousin taught me this trick. Just get water, put it in the thing, but don't put a coffee pot, and that's it. Use herbal tea Tavana, and I'm gonna use peach, but I'm also gonna put a little bit of this Chinese tea that on TikTok suggested. California diet tea, supposed to be ancient royalty formula. Anything that has like a diet tea, it's gonna have like some type of laxative. I saw it in some article that any wellness, diet, weight loss, slimming type of tea that you see in stores and stuff when you're tempted to, all of that is laxatives. It's gonna affect you and you're gonna want to use the restroom. So I'm only putting a little bit, like little jabs of it. So we got an avocado. I sliced this the other day, but it was not ready. So we're gonna get it ready today. I'm gonna add some honey because that was delicious. And then I'm gonna toast some bread. And yeah, we'll be back. So I had to get another avocado because the other one I put in the fridge that I tried to eat the other day did not work. Fuck. Parsley flakes and some red crushed chili peppers. These are just from Trader Joe's and the other ones from Target. Again, Simone. I'm using the cap. You're getting the flavor. All day. So we're gonna make an egg. I got this cute little pot from Target. Pan, sorry. Should I try to flip it? No, I'm just kidding. Actually, wait, I could try to flip it in here. I'm gonna try it. Okay. I'm just kidding. Okay. That kind of works. Okay, and we're done. Turn it off again. Stove. Never do that. So this is my breakfast. I only made 1 egg. Again, I don't feel the need to make 2 eggs because I'm also trying to lose weight and I don't really like to eat eggs more than once. Hi, Lumi. She's in heat right now. And she will not leave me alone. Because I'm the only one in the house. She's literally so horn dog. What are you doing? Look. She's never like this, guys. She's not like that at all. Get down. She doesn't like to show affection. Her affection is playful. So she'll like hit her. But she will lick Ello for sure. Because she loves Ello. But also play. Oh, look. She got her. Oh my God. She got her toy stuck underneath. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna eat my toast, watch my vlogs. I've been watching my favorite vlogger. Right now, so I can drink. Yeah. She's speaking. And for breakfast, I'm just gonna make it super easy. Oh my God. On a hash brown. She's really good. Here's my air fryer. This is my gift to myself. So I'm cleaning my clothes. And Lumi, one of our house cats, trying to go to sleep. So, enjoy this. So this is Lumi. She's my cousin's cat. She's about 2 years old, and she's a Taurus. So her birthday's in May. Yeah. I just got my hair done. So what do you guys think? I love it. I just got a tone. Looks good. Feel great. Feel fantastic.